Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of art supplies, specifically focusing on what many consider the best white paint gallon on the market. The Handy Art Little Masters Washable Tempera paint in a generous 64 fluid ounces. This product has made waves among both amateur and seasoned artists, and for good reason. So, what makes this tempera paint so special? First off, let's talk about the quality. Handy Art prides itself on producing non-toxic, AP-certified products that are made right here in the USA. This paint offers bright, rich opaque colors that can truly bring your creative visions to life. The matte finish makes it ideal for a variety of projects, whether you're working on crafts with kids, creating stunning art pieces, or even tackling DIY home decor projects. One of the standout features of this paint is its washability. The Handy Art Little Masters paint is designed to easily wash out of most clothing and surfaces, which is a huge plus for parents and educators. If you've ever dealt with stubborn paint stains, you know how valuable this feature is. Next up is the economical aspect. At just over $10 for a 64-ounce bottle, this paint provides excellent value. It's an affordable choice for beginner artists and schools, making it accessible for everyone looking to explore their creativity without breaking the bank. For the price, you're getting a substantial amount of high-quality paint that lasts through numerous projects. Let's discuss safety. Handy Art takes this seriously, ensuring that their paint does not contain latex, dairy, casein, soy, egg, gluten, peanut, or tree nuts. This means it's suitable for a wide range of users, including those with allergies. This safety feature is especially critical in school environments, where you want to ensure that all students can safely participate in art projects. Now, let's talk about the versatility of this paint. The Handy Art Little Masters Washable Tempera paint can be used on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're painting on paper, cardboard, or even some fabrics, this paint delivers vibrant results. You can use it for traditional painting techniques or mix it with other colors for your unique shades. It's also perfect for kids. The washable formula encourages young artists to express themselves freely without the fear of making a mess that's hard to clean up. Parents can feel comfortable letting their kids dive into creative projects with this paint, knowing that cleanup won't be a nightmare. To sum it all up, the Handy Art Little Masters Washable Tempera paint in white is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to stock their art supplies. Its combination of quality, washability, safety, and affordability truly makes it stand out. Whether you're an educator, a parent, or just someone looking to explore your artistic side, this paint is a worthy addition to your toolkit. Thank you for joining us on this review of the Handy Art Little Masters Washable Tempera paint. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. We'd love to hear your experiences with this paint in the comments below. What projects have you tackled with it? Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be reviewing more fantastic products to help you unleash your creativity. Until then, keep painting, keep creating, and remember to express yourself.